Good Saturday morning. This is the NorthOps Fire Weather Webcast for August 16th, 2025. Mid-level water vapor imagery with satellite-derived lightning overlaid shows a frontal system approaching and then moving onto the northwest California coast as an unseasonably strong trough pushes in from the Pacific. True color visible satellite imagery with surface observations shows some areas of marine layer clouds extending well inland from the coast this morning. The frontal boundary bringing extensive cloud cover to northern and northwest areas and high dew points in the lower 60s along the north coast. Composite radar this morning shows precipitation with the frontal band moving onto the north coast and into the northwest mountains. No lightning was observed in the past 24 hours, nor are there any National Weather Service hazards for our area. The extensive marine layer has brought a fairly significant amount of light rain and drizzle to coastal and near coastal areas, especially in the San Francisco Bay and San Jose region, and with the front in the Crescent City area. The 6Z GEF's 20,000 foot level forecast shows the upper level trough along the west coast this morning and a short wave within the trough pushing inland and becoming better organized over NorthOps later today through Sunday morning. Broad troughing centered offshore then continues southwest flow. This flow increases and becomes more southerly Monday through Tuesday as the high over the Four Corners area strengthens westward. The high then strengthens further across NorthOps Wednesday, followed by little change through next Saturday. The GACC Wharf wind and RH forecast shows breezy to windy westerly winds blowing across the Bay region into the Sacramento and San Joaquin valleys. Higher RHs as compared to 24 hours ago have spread inland from the coast. Breezy to windy southwest to westerly winds will increase in aerial coverage this afternoon to evening, with the greatest alignment of low RHs and elevated winds northeast of the Sierras. Tonight through Sunday morning, good RH recoveries are expected, except across mid to upper elevations in the far southeast portions of NorthOps. Gusty, breezy to windy south through west winds return Sunday afternoon as the front edges back to the northwest some across northern areas. A similar lighter wind flow is expected Monday afternoon, though RHs lower across the interior. The 0Z Nessel Wharf simulated reflectivity forecast shows the frontal band moving onto the coast this morning, with showers and embedded thunderstorm development along the western edge of the Sacramento Valley into the Mount Shasta region east-northeastward this afternoon. There is a possibility that some of the showers and thunderstorms will affect the central and northern Sacramento Valley this evening through tonight. Sunday, showers and isolated thunder showers are indicated under a southwest flow in the general Shepherd's Hook pattern west through east of the Sacramento Valley. The EC lightning flash density forecast shows some lightning potential this afternoon, mostly along and near the western edge of the Sacramento Valley, lingering into this evening. Some very slight potential is shown for tonight into Sunday morning, followed by a higher probability for the Shasta Valley area and Lassen National Park area northeastward Sunday afternoon to evening. The CNRFC 6-day precipitation forecast in 24-hour increments shows some wetting rainfall of 1/10 to a ½ inch for portions of the northwest Sacramento Valley and Mount Shasta region today through early Sunday morning, followed by spottier wetting amounts for portions of a similar area as well as northwest portions of the Lassen to Modoc region Sunday through early Monday morning. Dry weather is then expected for Monday through Thursday night. The NorthOps 7-day significant fire potential outlook shows mostly moderate risk for most of the more inland PSAs today, decreasing in aerial coverage tomorrow, followed by low risk Monday through Wednesday of next week. Moderate risk returns as fuels dry and temperatures ramp up later this next week. South Ops is forecasting low risk or less this weekend through early next week due to predominantly onshore flow, cooler temps, and increased humidity. Moderate risk returns for much of the South Ops area later this next week. In summary, a frontal system will bring breezy to windy south through west winds today, along with marginally low RHs to inland areas, and isolated, mostly wet thunderstorm potential for the western edge of the Sacramento Valley northeastward. Showers and thunderstorms are likely across the northwest Sacramento Valley northeastward this evening, with some activity likely overnight. Wetting rainfalls likely from the mountains on the western edge of the Sacramento Valley north through northeastward. Scattered showers and isolated, mostly wet thunderstorms are likely again Sunday in the Shepherd's Hook pattern around the Sacramento Valley. Broad southerly flow is then expected aloft with lighter winds at the surface next Monday as the Four Corners High expands westward. A return to hot and dry conditions arrives mid to late this next week. This concludes today's Fire Weather Webcast.